Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and let's talk about the newly launched Honor 50 series, which are the Honor 50, Honor 50 Pro and the 50 SE. Now in this video we will be talking about the specification and the expected price, and it might also launch in India in the pricing segment and also the launch date. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that we have done that, let's get started. So after the official unveiling, it has been pretty confirmed that what we have covered about the Honor 50 series is pretty accurate, as now the phone will be featuring a Qualcomm's processor, which is the Snapdragon 778 on the Honor 50, and whereas the 50 SE will be using a Dimensity 900. The best part about the Honor 50 bunch is that already all the phones will be having an AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution of a 120Hz refresh rate. On the Honor Pro, there will be a dual camera for the selfies, and it will be a 32 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel of ultra wide lenses. Now the regular Honor 50 will have a 6.57 inch of this screen with the AMOLED panel and a 120Hz refresh rate, but it will only carry a single camera of 32 megapixel. On the back, both of these cameras will power a 108 megapixel main sensor with a ring on the top of that, which will be having 9:1 pixel binning. To accompanying that lenses, it will include an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens and the 2 megapixel of depth and macro shots. Now, if we talk about the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778, which will be based on the Cryo 670 CPU processor, and it will be paired with the Adreno 642L GPU for the performance, which is very close to the Snapdragon 780. On the storage side, the base storage will be of 8 plus 128GB of storage, and it will be accompanied by the UFS 2.1 and the UFS 3.0. On the battery sizes, the Honor 50 Pro will come with a 4000 mAh battery and with a fast charging of an insanely fast 100-watt wired charging, while the vanilla model of Honor 50 and the 50 SE will be having a 66-watt of fast charging. Now, if we talk about the pricing of these phones, then according to the China pricing, the Honor 50 has been started for near to the 28,000 rupees, and not only that, the 50 Pro starts at around 40,000 rupees. Now these smartphones will be available internationally amongst the 40 regions, but it has not been confirmed about the date when it will be launching. But we can expect these smartphones to be launched in around third or the fourth quarter of the year, and not only that, they will be coming with a Play Store into the phone. So definitely that won't also be a problem for the Indian user or the people using the Honor phones around the world, except for the China. The Honor 50 SE pricing whereas to be confirmed around 25,000 rupees, and they all will be based on the Magic UI 4.2, which is based on the Android 11. So what do you think about this phone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the very next one.